Hey guys, Digital David here. Today I'm excited to be unboxing and reviewing for you the HadinEEon. This is an electric kettle. It's 7 cups, 1.8 liters. Really excited about it. You can purchase it on Amazon. The link will be in my video description below. Make sure to check that out. You can see reviews, photos, that sort of thing. So anyways, back to the kettle itself. It looks really cool, pretty big. Comes in this packaging, again, directly from Amazon. It'll obviously be in a cardboard box. They did send me this to review, but any opinion expressed in my video is definitely my own. I'm not told to say anything. So here's how it comes packaged. Looks pretty cool. Nice product photography. It's 1500 watt quick boil, crystal clear glass. It's got some stainless steel on it, a 3-year warranty. Shows you capacity and specs over there. So yeah, that's the packaging. Looks really neat. Let's go ahead now and open it up. All right. First thing we see out of the box is a free stainless steel peeler. So we'll ship you a free gift within 5 business days of receiving your email. So if you want to receive a peeler, you can go ahead and send them an email and they'll send that out to you within 5 days. That's really cool. I got that. So what a bonus. Nice that they did that. Here is electric kettle. It's the model GK1705 user manual. FDA approved. Easy filling and secure grip, gorgeous design and illuminated LED, quick boiling and auto shut off. So the manual is pretty neat. We'll just go ahead, I'll just show you a quick glance at it if you want to pause the video and see any of this stuff in further detail. But yeah, really straightforward. Now we'll go ahead and get the rest of it out. Alright, it was really packed in there, which is nice because you don't want this to break in shipping. Looks really cool. I like that it's clear. Pretty big too. Again, you have 1.8 liter, 7 cups. And then you have the plate for it to get it warm. They advertise that this can heat water within 4 minutes. So we're going to go ahead and I'm going to fill it up and we will put that to the test and see if we can boil. We'll try the max 7 cups in 4 minutes. So really straightforward, nice long cord. Really cool itself, feels really good. The handle's really nice. So on off, there's your pop button to open that up, really cool. It's got a nice little filter in there too, which is awesome, really a neat feature, just well thought out. So you could filter stuff without even having to do any extra steps. So yeah, looks really cool, stainless steel on the top again. FDA approved. The stainless steel along the sides, pretty neat. It's clear. I don't know what else you could ask for. Again, the handle's really easy to use. Looks pretty sweet. Really happy with it. Should just place right on there. Nice and easy. So now we'll go ahead, we'll fill this up, plug it in, and wait 4 minutes and see if it boils. Alright guys, I have just about 7 cups in here of water. Just straight out of my sink. It is not... It's just very lukewarm, so it's not cold or warm. Now we'll go ahead, we'll see if we can fire this up and we'll give it 4 minutes. So really simple, just turn this on. You can see the really cool LED. Hopefully you can see it in the video. It's got a nice blue glow to it. Looks really sweet as it's in action. And now we'll give it 4 minutes. Alright, so it has been 4 minutes. The water is really bubbling up. I can see steam. It's definitely hot. And I'd say that right around 4 minutes is probably pretty accurate, especially if you're going to use a smaller amount. But you can really see it bubbling at the bottom. Looks like it's really hot. We'll let it run for another minute and just see if the auto shut-off kicks on too. It looks really cool seeing the LED kind of mixed in with the water and reflecting everywhere. A little bit of the water splashed out. There you go. It just triggered the switch. This is as hot as it'll get and it'll shut off. So if you like your water really boiled, this is it. Looks really cool. Really happy with this kettle. It's just simple. You can just take it right off and start using it. Put it right back on. So really happy with it. I forgot to mention while I was unboxing it, but I thought this was cool how this cord folds up underneath, so just easy storage as well. So pretty cool kettle. I'm happy with it. A little more than 4 minutes to boil your water, but again, that's with it basically being full, and that's if you want your water really, really boiling. So it's really cool, really happy with it. We'll go ahead, we'll push the top too, so you can see some steam. But a great little kettle. Go ahead, check it out. It's in the video description below. Hit that link. Hit that sub button. Hit the like button. Leave me any questions or comments you may have. And I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks.